In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add and customize admin columns in WordPress. Go to Posts, and then click on All Posts. Now, as you can see, WordPress shows built-in columns by default for posts, pages, comments, users, and more. However, you can make your editorial workflow faster and smoother by adding more admin columns. You can go to Screen Options, and then you can customize the column section from here. But I'm going to show you a plugin that you can use to further customize this area. Go to Plugins, and then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Admin Columns and press Enter. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see the plugin has great reviews, and it's also compatible with our version of WordPress. Once the installation is complete, this button changes to Activate. Click on it to activate the plugin. And then you get redirected to the plugins page. Now, from here, go to Settings, and click on Admin Columns. You can customize existing admin columns by simply using the drag and drop interface and rearranging items in the order you want. You can also edit existing columns by clicking on Edit. And you can edit the title and the width from here. You can also add new columns by clicking here. Then enter the column you want to add. Remember to click on Save. And if you want to remove a column, just click here on Remove. Click on Update. And now go to All Posts. And you can see that this section looks different than before. The column we added is also appearing here. This is how you can add and customize admin columns in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.